Hi everyone. So beginning from this week, we are going to demonstrate video tutorials instead of PowerPoint presentations. So you may reference the video tutorial on your own time for any clarification or extra practice you may need. Today's video is about projection on the fly, and we are going to add two shapefiles to our ArcMap project with two different coordinate systems and see how ArcMap will treat um, the two files with two different coordinate systems. So as you can see, I have opened a blank map and I am going to see what type of coordinate system my data frame has. So you can right click on your data frame, go to properties, and as you can see, we have no coordinate system assigned to this data frame. Let's see what we have in our presentation data folder. So as you can see, we have two shapefiles. We have countries shapefile and Canada projected shapefile. The countries shapefile, if you right click on it and then go to properties under X and Y coordinate system tab, you will see that this one has a geographic coordinate system named WGS 1984. While the Canada projected shapefile has a different coordinate system. It is projected to Canada Albers Equal Area Conic based upon the datum of GSC North American 1983. So the two files have two different coordinate systems. And we want to see how projection on the fly works in ArcMap. So let's add the country shapefile to our project. Very smooth with no problem. What ArcMap does is actually adopts the coordinate system of the first shapefile added to the project. So the country's shapefile has a WGS 1984 coordinate system, and now our data frame should have the same coordinate system. Let's see. So we can right click, go to properties, and as you can see, our data frame has a similar coordinate system as the country's shapefile, WGS 1984. Click OK. Let's go back to our catalog. And the second shapefile we are going to add is called Canada projected shapefile. So we know that this file has a different coordinate system. So we are expecting a warning from ArcMap when we add that to our project. Let's drag and drop. And as expected, we get the warning from ArcMap saying that these two files have two different geographic coordinate systems. Do you want me to do the projection on the fly, or do you want to do the transformation yourself? For the time being, we will rely on ArcMap to do the projection on the fly for us, and we will hit close. And as you can see now, Canada projected is added to the table of contents, and the extents of the Canada projected shapefile is overlaid very nice on top of the country's shapefile. This is called projection on the fly. The last thing we want to do is to examine these two layers in the data frame's properties. So we right click on the layers, properties. Still, the the coordinate system of the data frame is WGS 1984. But if we scroll down, you see the layers folder here. Expand this, and you will see that we have two different coordinate systems for two different files. Country's shapefile has WGS 1984, and Canada projected shapefile has a different projection and a different coordinate system. But the projection on the fly in ArcMap enables us to actually overlay these two shapefiles with two different coordinate system projections very nicely on top of each other. Thanks for watching.